So welcome YouTube, you feel me? I'm Rello. Y'all in the motherfucking 2.09 turbo. You feel me? Videos long awaited, just doing a sports mode. You feel me? So I see reason I decided to make the channel, you feel me? I always see Mopars, people daily vlogging the Mopars and everything else, but I don't never see no fucking, you feel me, Volkswagens. Like, I know it's a big scene in the EU and shit, but I'm in Florida, you feel me? Like, yeah, so y'all about to start getting content every day of cuts, you feel me? And, you know, just content in that 2.09 turbo, man. Nah, I'm playing, I'm stage 3. Full stage 3 E85. You feel me? Full stage 3 E85, man. But my car dirty right now, don't mind it. We're gonna throw it in sports. You feel me? We can get down and shit. 2.09 turbo, you feel me? It's my baby and shit, you feel me? These cars going slow as hell in traffic, man. Y'all hear my baby though, man. This is just an introduction though. Let me know what y'all think. Fuck they honking at, man. We get through there, through there. Let me show y'all how I get in a 2.09 turbo. We can sport with it. Let me show y'all how I get down. Let me show y'all how the Volkswagen guys get down, man. Let me show y'all how the Volkswagen boys get down. This is how we doing it, man. We out here. We really are out here with this shit, man. You feel me? Bye. Too slow. Get out my way. Get out the way. We're gonna bark by all these cars in a 2.09 turbo, man. Through there. Bye-bye. Go on. Bye.